Allah's time isn't circular or tangled or random. Allah has created a straight timeline, a straight line that has a starting point and a final point. Within this timeline, different dimensions are found, and we humans exist in the third dimension, 3D, of this timeline. The starting point of Allah's timeline was when Allah said, "Kun, be." Before that, there was no time, no space, no matter. Which means time is creation of Allah. Allah transcends time. Then time progressed and world came to existence. This world is not final home, rather it a testing ground. Humans were given body with bones, blood and pain as tests to choose between right and wrong. With this body, humans live, thinks, and chooses. This is a test. Then comes a point on the timeline from which no one can escape, death. But listen, death is not the end. Death is just a transition. The body remains here, and the soul moves forward on the timeline. Barzakh, the intermediate dimension. A person enters Barzakh, a dimension where time does not move same as the world. Here, one begins tasting their deeds' consequences. Then a day will come when the entire timeline will collapse. The Qur'an says one day will be equal to 50,000 years. Meaning, time will lose its shape at its final point. Justice will be completed here at last. This is where truth and falsehood are separated. So the question is, if heaven and hell are at the end of the timeline, how did Rasulullah, peace and blessings be upon him, saw it? From here, true understanding of the Miraj begins. Why did Allah call Rasulullah, peace and blessings be upon him? Allah called him to show him the complete reality. The Qur'an says, so that we might show him some of our signs. Meaning, this was not a dream, it was direct exposure. Allah took him forward in the same timeline and showed him where the future becomes the present. Past, present, or future are same for Allah. Prophet Muhammad saw hell, saw people being punished according to their deeds. He saw the fate of oppression, lies, and the forbidden acts. And he saw heaven, tranquility, mercy, and people who had chosen patience and truth in the world. This was a tour of reality. Why was it shown? So no one could say, I didn't know. It became proof for humanity. So do good.